Although I was born in Australia, both sides of my family, so my mum's and dad's family, are Christian. My dad's family is Dutch, and my mum's side is English. Um, I feel like yeah, growing up in, especially a Dutch family, a lot of the tradition is quite prevalent. And yeah, I just feel like I I can be quite stern, but within just with structure. Like if I was to go into the classroom, I'd be quite structured, but I'd have a lot of fun. That would be the other thing, and I reckon I get that from my mum's side is that despite um, I might be stern and keep things to structure and want to be in control of that, I'll still have a lot of fun with kids, which I think would be a huge strength of mine when I step into the classroom. Probably one of my weaknesses would maybe sometimes be a little bit overbearing and maybe over structured. So going into the classroom as a pre-service teacher, these are definitely things that I think that I can bring um, to my teaching and that are really good qualities.